I could have put machines in that would have replaced all the human beings a long time ago. But again, I think it's a good thing to employ the town and be an important part of Mexico. And also on the quality side, you know, by the time a bottle leaves the factory, 60 different people have looked at that bottle.
Of the hundreds of varieties to choose from, only one kind of agave is used to make Patron tequila, Blue Weber agave. This desert succulent, the most time-intensive crop of any distilled beverage, takes 8 years to mature, develop, and ripen.
We are in an area that is considered the highlands of Jalisco, and it is considered the best area for cultivating agave.
The experts responsible for harvesting it are called jimadoras, and with their razor-sharp koas, they are some of the most important, skilled, and trusted workers in all of Mexico. They have perfected the art of stripping away these sword-leaf succulents to get to the heart of the plant called the piña. They can dig up, dislodge, sever, and trim a single plant in 4 to 5 minutes. More than 100 leaves are cut back to their bases before the head of the plant is ready to be carried over to the nearest truck. As the world's largest importer of 100% agave, tests are performed in the field, and only the plants with the highest sugar content will make it back to the hacienda to be turned into Patron.
We created a situation down there that nobody in Mexico has ever been used to. We built a hacienda that is a mirror of a 17th century hacienda, but it's beautiful. But we didn't build it just for a facade for a consumer to see, but we really built it for our employees. We're going to make sure that every one of our employees is thrilled to be there.
Once the agaves make it out of the fields, they are halved and quartered and loaded by hand into small, traditional masonry ovens, where they are slow roasted in small batches for 72 hours to get just the right taste. Fresh from the ovens, the agave is placed by hand on conveyor belts and then macerated, a process similar to the crushing of grapes to make wine. The shredded agaves are then loaded into a traditional stone pit where a giant 2-ton stone wheel called a tahona crushes them. The juice extracted from this ancient process is called aguamiel, or honey water. The juice is transferred into pinewood casks where it will ferment for 3 days, allowing the sugars to transform into alcohol. From there, it will be pumped into traditional, handmade copper stills for distillation, where it is boiled at varying temperatures, condensed, refined, and double distilled. After distillation, each bottle is fine filtered and balanced under the watchful eye of master distiller Francisco Alcaraz. Every bottle of Patron is uniquely handcrafted and designed to be a piece of art. No two are the same. If the slightest imperfection is found, the bottle is immediately discarded and recycled. The ones that survive over 40 different inspections are rinsed in tequila before they are filled. This process is used to create a sterile environment, ensuring that there are no impurities.
We produce Patron Tequila the exact same way we did when the very first bottle was produced in 1989. The formula is the same, the master distiller is the same, the blender is the same, and the same attention to quality product and production all the way through.